In this video, I am going to explain the login authentication system that I have created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we'll break down the code step by step to understand how it works and how we can implement the user authentication in our web application. So let's explore the HTML structure. So let's begin by understanding the HTML structure of the authentication system. So this forms the foundation of the user interface. So I have used Bootstrap for a responsive layout, including headings, input fields, buttons, and registration forms. Then the system consists of a login form and the registration form, which users can toggle between. Also, to make the system visually appealing, I have used CSS, and I have defined fonts, colors, spacing, and responsiveness to create a visually appealing user experience. Also, we can see the success messages or error messages which provide feedback to the users. Now let's look at the main part, that is the JavaScript coding part. So I have created the functions to validate username and password and check if the username is available and handles user registration. Also, the login process involves verifying credentials against uh, locally stored data. Then, upon successful login, the user are redirected to the secure dashboard where they can log out. Now, let's take a look at the key features of the login authentication system. So, this app supports basically both login and registration processes. So, users can log in if they have an existing account, or they have to register to create a new account. So, for example, let's try to log in. If the user has to enter an alphanumeric password with at least 8 characters. If the user does not provide the password in this format, it will display the error message. Displays that the username is or the password is invalid. This means that either the user has entered wrong details, or the user does not have a account in this app. So now let's register. So username will be, then password. After entering details, user has to click on the register button. See, it displays a success message stating the registration is successful. You can now log in. Now he has to click on login. That is the email address, password. I have to enter the same password which I have used for creating the account. Sign in. Basically, I have implemented the validation text to ensure that the username and the password meet the necessary criteria. No, after the successful login, the users are redirected to the secure dashboard, which is the protected area of the application. So, on successful login, users are greeted with the informative success message. So, it will also enhance the user experience. Now, for the security purpose, I have also included the logout feature that allows the user to securely log out of their accounts. Let's try to log in once again. It is displaying the success message. Then log in. This also this login system is responsive. So it is adapting seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices.